Nobody was inside this hall today. Go talk say for in life, no matter how you big rich, sleep never take you. One way or the other, sleep don't take you. Now ushers, now if you get any usher, say, I don't know why you be banker at the same time now usher for church. When I get all night, you close by 5:30 or 6 o'clock because you know they consider account quick. What it stop you to go sleep for house? So at 10 o'clock you can go for all night. You still go jive, go take one bottle. Usher. You don't go house to rest. You take 2 bottles. Go enter church. Come stand near door. Usher. We don't download 2 bottles. Now see the darkness and salvation. How do you want to go? Then you know say one thing with usher where they done. When they usher you, they smile. And sleep they take you where you don't know. If they usher be that, they smile. Oh, welcome. You know say when sleep they take you, you know they know. I know say one thing with sleep, when it take you, the activity way for take you. When it bring you back, now that same activity go put you. Meanwhile, things don't move forward. When you usher last, now person usher last. Then when sleep take am. To prevent the sleep. No, say you can't cheat nature. Now for Nigeria, I see a person they stand sleep. Very comfortable. When they sleep, the last time when they sleep taker in usher person, no. When they sleep taker now. Meanwhile, nobody they come. Because of the last activity be that. Now, if you get any usher for this place, or you did church, please be very observant. Pastor, they preach. Anybody they back, they shout anyhow. Right up, pastor! And if they shake leg, you won't sleep. Be very careful, you won't sleep. They make unnecessary noise. I know say one thing will sleep. Once they make noise, you know they know when they take you. And sleep get three position when they take you. If you see that it sleep take you, carry you go like this. Put you like this. Or put you like this. So when the person they say, right on, pastor. No say one sleep. If the sleep put you like this, then you can't say they sleep. Then you don't want to make the people who sit down there, you know say they sleep. You get as they do one. Right on, pastor, the sleep don't they take you. I want you with sleep. If sleep take you, once the legs stop and mouth open, then now they go together. He goes, right on, pastor. Not say they always look like wish. You know, say the mouth, once legs stop, mouth go open. They don't go together. Then the other one, when the sleep take you, carry you go like this. When you bring you back, you smile, give person will not even laugh with you at all. Right on, Pastor. For your mind, in the look, oh boy, you don't sleep. Now, how many Catholics there? How many Catholic people there? Catholic people. You know, so they was have net. I do this one, I come out. Now, reality. You know those days when we were growing for Catholic Church, if you want to receive Holy Communion, if you sin, Saturday, you go for confession. Sunday, you go receive Holy Communion. And you know what? When you receive Holy Communion on Sunday, before you go think to sin, not Wednesday the following week. Because the state of grace there in you. That time, if you see where Catholics, they go receive Holy Communion, it get the kind of song where they sing. Very holy, they put her together. Even when they go receive Holy Communion, if you friend call and get the way they answer. Oh, the earth proclaim the Lord. Sing. Mike! Sing. When you reach, because you must be in state of grace. As you did that, you go receive her. You go still go back and sit. But the one where they pay me most for some Igbo men, old men, when you receive Holy Communion, it was you put her, it dissolve itself. Not the twam. Now body of Christ, not the twam. You won't wound them. It dissolve itself. One Igbo man come the other day. Body of Christ. In the twam. Yeah. Now ask. If you be body of Christ, if they chew you like that, you go like him. That one not who pay me. Now Holy Communion cause problem. Sit for church. The person who is initially sit down there, go receive Holy Communion. Before I come back, person don't sit down. Now if you receive Holy Communion, you know if you talk to anybody. Because you are in state of grace. Nigerians, you just stop or not be your seat. Person go receive Holy Communion before I come back. Person does that. Now, how the guy go take communicate to Ram? Now problem. When they don't receive Holy Communion, finish. Oh, with state of grace. Oh, he even hum the song with the choir. Oh, dear. As he receive Holy Communion, proclaim. Now enough you talk Holy Communion to the mouth. The guy no answer. He don't provoke. And Holy Communion to your mouth. You trust Nigerians now? You come out here. You not see how when you go. Hey, come, now go punish you. You don't tell you when I go. Your father. You don't tell you when I go. Come on, what you do?